Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be sharing with you a lunch or dinner recipe idea. I'll be making rice with mixed vegetable, smoky tomato stew and fried plantain. Stay tuned. To prepare this stew, I'll start by cutting the tomatoes into smaller pieces because I'll be roasting them in the oven. I'll be putting the cut tomatoes into the oven tray. Then I'll start cutting my mixed bell peppers. I'll be adding a scotch bonnet. I will also cut the onion. I'll be adding the onion into the oven tray. I'll also add my garlic and the ginger. I'll be putting it into the oven to roast for about 45 minutes. My chicken, I'll be adding salt, thyme, stock cube, and also I'll pour my blended onion and scotch bonnet mixture. Then I'll cover the pot and allow to cook until tender. I'll be removing the chicken from the stock. Then I'll add the chicken into an oven tray. Put it into the oven to grill. 45 minutes of roasting, I'll bring it out from the oven. Then I'll be adding them into a blender. I will use a little water to blend it. I will also add my cameroon pepper. This is optional, and a little water. Then I'll blend into a puree. I'll be adding some oil into a preheated pot. I'll also add curry powder. Then I will add the blended tomato mixture, stir and allow to fry. After about 5 minutes, I'll be adding the chicken stock. Then I will stir and allow to simmer. Cook my rice with mixed vegetable. I will start by washing the rice. Then after washing the rice, I will sieve and set aside to drain. Into a preheated pot, I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of oil. You can use any oil of your choice. Then I'll add a little salt. I will add my mixed vegetables, stir and allow to fry for about a minute. After frying for about a minute, I will remove the mixed vegetable from the pot because I don't want to overcook them. Then I'll be adding some water into the pot. Then into the boiling water, I'll be adding the washed rice. Stir and allow to cook. Please remember to always check on the stew and stir to avoid burning. I'll be adding stock cube. Please always test for salt and add if necessary. I'll be adding a little salt. Then I will stir and allow to continue cooking. As you can see, the stew is almost ready. I'll be adding the chicken. Adding the chicken, I will allow it to simmer for about 3 minutes. Then I will turn off the heat. It's still cooking. I'll be checking on my rice. Then I'll be adding the mixed vegetable. I will cook until the water have been absorbed. Now the rice with mixed vegetable is ready. The tomato stew is ready too. I'll start by cutting my plantain. Then after cutting the plantain, I'll sprinkle some salt. Then I'll be adding the plantain into the oil. Then I will allow it to fry until golden brown. When the plantain is golden brown, I will remove it from the oil. Now the food is ready. Thank you all for watching and stay tuned for more interesting recipes.